Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, for today's episode, I'm going to share to you the upcoming Louis Vuitton bags for their Cruise 2023 collection. So as you know guys, Louis Vuitton has been releasing new collection left, right, and center from their Holiday 2022 collection that is now out on the LouisVuitton.com. Also the graffiti collection for the Spring Summer 2022. So this time we are going to concentrate on the Cruise 2023 collection, specifically the bags, and of course guys, I'll be including the prices, the product code, and I'm going to link everything on the description box below. So if you want to be on the know and be the first and get first dibs on this up and coming new Louis Vuitton bags, please stay tuned. Hi guys, Ron here, Looking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about lates, about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, also and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on that one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account, that's at Ramir52, for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Alright, so the very first one that we are going to discuss for the Cruise 2023 would be the side trunk. So guys, please take note that the Cruise 2023 would be released November 4th. So make sure you get in touch with your CA and check if you could already place your pre-orders or have them notify you as soon these beautiful bags land on Louis Vuitton stores. So the very first one that we are going to discuss is the side trunk. So before we discuss the prices, so guys, please correct me if I'm wrong, but we all know it's very clear that the side trunk originated from the men's collection that's designed by Virgil, which is the soft trunk. So there are similarities with the bag, of course, the size and the look of the bag, it's actually the same. The soft trunk has a longer strap wherein you could wear as a crossbody, same with the side trunk. The differences are the following. So number one, of course, the side trunk, now it comes with a shorter strap, so you could carry this one as a top handle bag. You know guys, I love carrying my bag as a top handle. And it comes with that shorter strap on top with the S-lock. So I believe this is for added security for the bag. And the most notable difference of the two bags would be the slouchiness. Personally guys, so again, this is just my opinion, an unpopular opinion if I may add, I am not a fan of a slouchy bag. I would definitely prefer more structured bag. I like them hard guys. So anyways, it's not like a super slouchy bag that I'm hating on it. So now let us discuss the prices. So the very first one, of course, is the Jacquard denim. So the price is almost $4,000 US. What do you think guys of the price? Again guys, the prices are before tax. So the Jacquard denim, so this one of course comes with the black leather trim. Then the entirety of the bag would be the Jacquard denim with the Louis Vuitton monogram, and of course it comes with a silver hardware. So normally guys, I am not a fan of denim, plus of course considering the price, $4,000 US, I feel, this is just in my mind guys, so I feel that if a bag is made of denim, then definitely the price should be considerably low. But anyways, let's move on. The next side trunk would be the side trunk PM, and I don't know how to pronounce this one, the Cuir tan. Price is a much more expensive bag, so $4,350 before tax. But guys, OMG, just look at the color of this bag. So the denim one versus this genuine upfront leather, then definitely I would be choosing this more. So as you know guys, Louis Vuitton has just released their now famous the cognac color. So this is somewhat similar. So this one, I love this. I love the, if I'm not mistaken, the debossing. So if you're going to zoom in, the Louis Vuitton monogram is debossed. I love the gold hardware. This one guys, I so love it, except the price of $4,350. Now let's move on to the black version. So this is a black, not an upfront leather, so it's a black leather, and as you are going to see, that the Louis Vuitton monogram again is debossed. So this one, again, all black leather, then comes with silver hardware. So this one is also cute, very sleek. It's a little bit like, for example, a little bit incognito. If you want to go out and doesn't want to scream Louis Vuitton, this would be perfect as well. Then let's move on to the next one. So this one is the side trunk PM. Again, Cuir tan. Apologies for the mispronunciation. Same price of $4,350. So this one is made of entirely smooth leather. So at this point, guys, I'm not really sure if this is calf skin. So this, the leather is very, very smooth. So again, a little bit concerned about the smooth leather. I have a smooth leather bag, but of course, whenever I'm carrying that, I have to be extra careful. So I feel it would be the same with this bag. Then of course, we are going to see the very beautiful gold hardware and same details, longer shoulder strap, top handle, and a little added security. Next would be the side trunk TM in monogram. So this one, guys, among all the side trunk, this is one of my favorites. So as you know, guys, I am such a huge fan of a monogram. Yes, this comes with the vachetta. So again, guys, the price of the monogram version is only 3,800. So among the side trunk, this is the more on the affordable side. So like what I mentioned, yes, it comes with the vachetta, but the vachetta is, I would say, manageable. So yes, it has the vachetta on the top handle, the strap, the side. So for the top handle, may I recommend that maybe use something to wrap it with, like a bando, so that, you know, yes, the vachetta is pre-treated. It's unlike the stark white vachetta, but then again, we have to be a little bit extra careful if it has, you know, the non-treated leather. But guys, look at the color of this one, the monogram. It really looks delicious and really looks beautiful. Next on the Cruise 2023, it is the Louis Vuitton book wallet on chain reverse monogram. So price of this one is only 2,850 before tax. So this one, guys, I'm kind of liking this bag because it definitely, so like what the name suggests, the book wallet on chain. So if you are going to zoom in, definitely it looks like a book that is converted into a bag. So this one, honestly, guys, the reverse monogram, this is one of my obsession. I'm still looking for that perfect bag that would come maybe in the future, or that I could buy pre-love, that would have this combination of the reverse monogram and the black leather trim. So I'm guessing, guys, this would be so cute also. Like for example, aside from carrying this outside, you could use this to display at your home. So you could put it standing up just like on a bookshelf. Comes with a top handle as well, and the crossbody strap is fully detachable. And I am guessing, guys, so I'm just looking at the photos, the way that you can open this one, this is like a full flap bag, just like a Chanel boy, or just like my Chanel over here. So it's a full flap, so you are going to open it and then would be able to get your things from the inside. Next, we have the Jacquard Denim Collection. So honestly, guys, so like what I mentioned earlier, I am not really like a fan of a Jacquard or denim for a bag. I feel it's a little bit casual. And also, if for example, I would be paying something really high priced, that I would be choosing a material that I feel would last for a very, very long time. Like maybe a Louis Vuitton monogram canvas or a real genuine leather. But let's take a look at these new collections. So first one, of course, we have the Speedy 25 MB Jacquard denim. So again, price is 2,400 USD before tax. So good that this is a bandolier version. So it comes with a strap, so you can wear this one as a crossbody. So again, full denim material with the Louis Vuitton monogram. I love that the Louis Vuitton monogram is lighter compared to the grayish ombre effect of the denim. Then it comes with a black leather trim with silver hardware. Next, of course, is the Neverfull in the Jacquard Denim Noir. So again, same thing. So entirety is made of denim. And then, of course, it's in denim jacquard. Then it comes with black leather trims as well. So, if I have additional photos of this before this vlog goes live, I'm going to put it here, guys, because I'm also curious what the little pouch of this Neverfull looks like inside. So, next, of course, is the Louis Vuitton PM in the Jacquard denim print. So, price is 2,510. So, this is one of the more popular and newer bags of Louis Vuitton. I've tried this one on the Garden or the Fall Winter 2022, which I instantly love, although it's a little bit small, but the look of this bag is so contemporary, it's so modern. So again, this bag comes with two straps. So evening bag, you could carry the chain strap, then of course the leather strap, you could carry it as a shoulder bag or lengthen it just like the Neo waist strap and carry it as a crossbody bag. So super cute bag. Love the detail, silver hardware, everything. Actually, guys, the Jacquard denim collection, this is kind of like my vibe in terms of the colorway because I love anything gray, I love anything silver, I love ash, I love black. So perfect for this collection. Next, we have the On The Go MM, still on the Jacquard denim for $32.50 before tax. So again, entirety would be on this colorway, color monogram, and then of course comes with the black leather trim. Next, also we have the Dauphine size MM in the Jacquard denim Noir. Price is $4,350 US. So again, I love the Dauphine line of Louis Vuitton. Again, this is one of my obsession, and I'm hoping and praying that I could add one on my Louis Vuitton collection soon. So I love that this one doesn't come with any vachetta, so it comes with black leather trims, silver hardware, then of course the denim monogram material. Then of course we have the Kusama in denim. Price is $5,400 US. So this one, guys, I'm not really sure if this is also made in denim because in photos it looks like, you know, like that very supple leather material that they normally use for the Kusama, but looks good. Silver hardware, comes with the huge or the thick guitar strap, normal Kusama look. Then next is we have the zippy wallet. So again, same material for $1,050 US for those who are asking for Louis Vuitton SLG. Then we have the Victorine wallet in the denim green Noir for $685 before tax. So the next collection that we are going to discuss, so this is not much talked about on Instagram yet. So this is still part of the Cruise 2023. Again, maybe launch on a later date. So this is the Louis Vuitton X YAYOI Kusama Part 2, guys. So as you know, Louis Vuitton has already collaborated with the celebrated contemporary artist YAYOI Kusama of Japan, and that was last 2012, and that was still under Marc Jacobs, in which I'm going to put some photos here of the bags that they have released, and I super love the collection that they have done year 2012. Unfortunately, during that time, I wasn't still collecting any luxury bags because, you know, I couldn't afford. But anyways, I'm glad that they have decided to do a part 2. So on the runway, so it marks actually the 10-year anniversary of their very first collaboration. So they have teased us with a little bit of selection that they are going to release under the YAYOI Kusama collaboration. So here are some of the favorites from this collection. So they have the Petite Malle, they have the side trunk, they have the book wallet on chain. The only difference is you would instantly know that this is a YAYOI Kusama masterpiece. It comes with the multicolor red dot paintings on the bag, which I super love because of course definitely you are an art collector if you love YAYOI Kusama, in which I am so lucky because when I flew back to Shanghai, I was able to see some of YAYOI Kusama's work under the Louis Vuitton exhibition, and it was really brilliant, guys. Like, I swear, this is maybe one of the collaboration, especially with a world-renowned artist, that you really need to add to your collection. So aside from the multicolored dots of Cruise 2023, other addition for the YAYOI Kusama collaboration would be, like, for example, this beautiful Louis Vuitton twist bag. So the difference is the dots are not painted anymore. It has a 3D feel about it, as you're going to see. Silver bubbles that's on the side of the bag, super cute and really different, you guys. So it also comes with the classic Louis Vuitton con bag with the YAYOI Kusama signature. Then it also has the side trunk version. So I'm just guessing how heavy these bags would be, knowing of course I believe this would be metal bubbles on the side of your bag. But regardless, guys, nevertheless, they are so beautiful. If money is not an object with me, then definitely these are the bags that I would want from the Cruise 2023. There! So guys, which one is your favorite from the Cruise 2023? Let's start a conversation. Kindly comment down below. Again, guys, before we end our episode for today, I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fan. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on that one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Premiere52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me in today's episode, guys. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!